Hey guys, what's up? In this video I am going to discuss about ICCP, that is Impressed Current Cathodic Protection. So as you can see in this picture, I am drawing the diagram of the ICCP, how it works. So first you can see this rudder stock bond, controller power unit, reference electrode, anode, propeller, shaft, slip ring. So let's discuss the basic principle. Corrosion happens because steel hull acts as anode in seawater and loses metal. So what ICCP do? ICCP force the ship hull to become cathodic with the help of the external anode, which uses a protective current, and finally the corrosion is stopped. Now let's discuss the role of anode. So the anode is fitted on the hull below the water line. It is connected to the controller power unit when the power is supplied. Current flows like it comes from anode to seawater and finally to the ship's hull. This makes hull the negative, or you can say the cathodic one. Role of reference electrode. Reference electrode is fitted on the hull underwater. It measures the hull potential, that is the voltage between hull and the seawater, and it sends signals to the controller power unit. Think of it as a sensor checking whether protection is enough or not. Now, the role of the controller power unit. This is the brain of this system. It receives signal from the reference electrode and it compares the hull potential with the required set value. It increases or decreases the current to the anode accordingly. Hull potential is low, it will increase the current. Hull potential is high, so it will reduce the current. Now the rudder stock bond. So the rudder is isolated by bearings. So electrical continuity may not be proper. So a bonding wire is fitted to confirm that the electrical continuity should be proper. Now the propeller shaft slip ring. Propeller shaft rotates. Direct cable connection is not possible there. So to remove it, we use the slip rings, which provides electrical continuity to the rotating shaft, and it ensures that the propeller shaft becomes cathodic. Now let's discuss the summary. So the current flow path. Controller sends the DC current to the anode. Then the current flows from anode to seawater and to the hull. This means hull becomes cathodic, and the reference electrode monitor the hull potential, and the controller adjusts the output automatically. So this much is important from this topic.